up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I'm going to teach you a very simple and cool groove and chill dance. So the title of the song I used is from the Philippines, so it's from my country. The title of the song is Babae by JR and Khel Pangilinan. Okay, let's start. Let's start. So for this, we're gonna start from closing. So it goes like this: from 1 and 2 and 3, side 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 7, turn 8. This is 1. Okay, so be careful when you turn. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1 and 2 and 3, side 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend, put weight here, then swing your arm to turn fast. Bend 8, 1. Next, from turn, this is 1, side 2, stop your shoulder 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. So from here, turn 7 and 8. Okay, shoulder 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So my count is wrong. All right, next. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's continue. From here, go side. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the right? 5 and 6. Then you can use push 6. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. Side set. Then 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's continue. You're gonna put it down, step to your left. 1, 2, 3, back on 4. Push to your left. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. This is 1, leave on 2. So 1, 2, including your head. So 1, 2. One more time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, open 3, back 4. Side 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Side 1, 2, 3, 4. Push 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, 3. Back 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2. Let's continue. Almost, guys. So 1, 2, move back. 3 and 4. Chest. 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's one more time. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Continue. Go 1 and 2 to the front. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and front again this time. 7 and 8. One more time, pick up from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chest, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Copy? Almost. Okay guys, we go to chorus part. So it goes like bounce, 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 and bounce. So your hands are free here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5 and 6. Copy? One more time. 6, 7. Then dami na namang babae. Ha. 5, 6. Go. 7 and 8. Continue. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 5, 6. Okay? 7 and 8. Basically 4 times. So your hands are free. One more time. From here, 7 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then you just repeat this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy? So you do the chorus twice. Same. Yes guys, that's all the choreography. Let's start from the beginning. Slowly. We do double chorus, okay? From the last part. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Again. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. La, 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 la. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Back. 5, 6, 7, and slowly. Yeah. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. I'll see you next time.